Great. So, Amanda, over to you.
Okay, welcome, guys. Hi, I think it's important and wonderful that you're here with us today to talk about burnout and the fact that it is a silent and often heavy experience that many legal professionals experience and sometimes don't even know that they're experiencing. So, what I would really like us to cover today is this introduction to these particular learning outcomes. So today we're actually going to define potential or impending burnout, and there's going to be some simple checklists that will really be incredibly valuable to help you recognize your burnout symptoms, hopefully before the damage is done. Secondly, we're going to really look at, okay, how do I develop a burnout protective system to protect myself, my loved ones, my colleagues, my clients, and really all in all, our legal careers. Thirdly, we're going to look at some evidence-based strategies that are proven to be effective to recover from chronic burnout. Now, to really set the stage here, I'd actually like to take the camera off and allow a person that's actually a family member of mine to share with you their own experience of chronic burnout as an example of where this particular cycle can lead.
Hi. Okay, so yeah, my name is